Namaste and welcome to Janal Dolakya Yoga. In this video, I'm going to take you through a beautiful meditative practice that is going to be very simple and very approachable. So, if you're someone who has never explored meditation and wants to embark on this beautiful journey, then this video is just for you. So, let's get started. So first and foremost, find yourself a comfortable spot to sit. You could be seated on a mat like how I am sitting, or you could be seated even on a chair or on a sofa, wherever you're comfortable. So take a moment to settle down. Feel comfortable with your stance. And just start being aware of your physical body. Notice how you feel right now. See that you're not holding any tension anywhere. Your palms are gently placed on your thighs and the index finger and the thumb touching to each other in the chin mudra. This mudra just helps you to concentrate a little better. Eyes are now gently closed. And start being aware of your natural breath. Become aware of the natural breath going in and out. Not trying to change it, just observing it as it is. Watching how the body is responding to when you take an inhale and watching how the body is responding to when you take an exhale. Watching this natural flow of breath going in and out. Just being aware of it. Not trying to do anything. And that itself is a big step towards the meditation practice, to stop doing and start observing. So just observe the natural rhythm of the breath going in and out. Trying to become a witness of your own breath going in and out. Observe this natural breath. Keep observing it. Keep observing it with all your awareness, all your attention. Let's stay with this observation of your natural breath for a moment. You will notice that thoughts will come. Maybe many thoughts will come, and that's okay. Whenever you feel that you are distracted by a thought, become aware of it. Realize that a thought has occurred, and then come back to the awareness of your breath. And keep doing that constantly. Whenever you feel you are distracted by a thought, realize that you are strayed away and come back to your breath. Keep coming back to your breath. Inhale and exhale. Visualize your thoughts like clouds moving in front of you. Let each thought be like a cloud gently passing away in front of you. All you're doing is just observing it. Becoming a witness is one of the key steps of meditation. Keep observing. Remain aware of your breath. Also, whenever a thought occurs, realize that the thought is either of a past memory or a future worry. So when you get either of this thought, remember to always come back to your breath. Come back to the awareness of your natural breath. Because that is where the present moment is. And being in a state of meditation is nothing but being in a state of present. Being here and now. Being fully aware of the present moment. By connecting with your breath. Inhale and exhale. Now start observing your breath with all this awareness and understanding that if a thought arises, you just become aware of it and simply come back to your breath, becoming a witness, becoming an observer. Let's stay with this experience of simply observing, of simply being aware. Remember to not get irritated if you're not able to fully focus on your breath. It's okay. It's a journey. And this is a practice which will develop the more you keep doing it. Just a few more moments here of being fully aware of the present, being fully aware of your breath. Well done. And now gently release your awareness from the breath. Just let that awareness drop and become aware of your physical body. And just scan your entire body from bottom to top. As if you have a hand scanner and you're scanning each and every part of the body from bottom to top. Slowly, gradually, scanning the body from bottom to top. Just being aware of the sensations on your body. Scanning the body once again from bottom to top. Then become aware of the mat that you're sitting on. Become aware of the space that you are in. And very gently release the mudra. Take your palms together. Rub your palms together. Feel a nice warmth in your palms. And place the cup of your palms on your eyes. And very gently blink and open the eyes in the cup of your palms. Allow your eyes to get comfortable with the light. And then very slowly release your hands down. Thank you so much for practicing with me. You can use this video as a daily guidance, as a daily practice, and see that the more you practice, the better you get at it. Thank you so much once again. If you have any questions or comments, do leave them below and I'll be more than happy to answer them. Have a lovely day ahead. Namaste.